This is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra and I'm shooting log video with an HDR HLG LUT profile applied straight from the Pro video camera from the OPPO. Now when you shoot log video, you should be able to preserve more image information and then later edit this, color grade it in post-production. What I'm doing here though is shooting directly with a LUT file applied, and not only in my viewfinder guys, but also what you see on your TV screens or phones right now. So this is the log video and I've started with the main camera. It's 4K 60 FPS, some beautiful colors today. The idea of the log is to capture as much as information you can and then preserve it. It should give you better colors, it should give you better control of the highlights, better control of the shadows, and it should be superior compared to the regular video. Now, is this what you're going to see on your screen? Well, you will have to tell me. Now I'm just going to try to jump between the lenses and share with you what happens. So I'm going to go to 2x. I'm still using a crop from the main sensor and I'm going to go to 3x, and this is the first change between 2x and 3x to the brand new 200 megapixel 3x zoom camera. And somewhere until like 9.7 I do believe that this is still using the 3x camera, but when I go to the 10x we jump again to the brand new 50 megapixel 10x optical zoom camera. And honestly, I think that's probably one of the best features from the new OPPO. It's this one, the 50MP 10x optical zoom, which performs quite good in broad daylight and also not that bad in low light, by the way, and also the 200 megapixel 3x zoom lens. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over there in the shadows as I want to see the transition between here. You can see I am standing in a very well illuminated bright area, so there is a lot of sun around me, but we have also these beautiful clouds, a lot of wind also, a lot of clouds, a lot of colors in the sky. We have gray, we have blue. It's actually very good, but once I go there I'm gonna get into this shady period. And before I go, actually I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do it like 10x. Okay, this is the 10x. I'm gonna go back to 1x. 10x is really good on this phone, I can tell you guys. I'm really happy that OPPO brought 10x back, because think of it, you can now do from 0.6, which is the ultra wide, to 10x, and you can have almost like optical control everywhere besides the 3x to like 9 something, which is, I think, is pretty cool. So now focus here guys, this is a very good shot. I think we have sunlight piercing through these very thick branches here. All right, so I can just go and do 10x, and you can see it's pretty amazing, by the way. Okay, so this is the main camera and this is the 3x, also very good. So what I'm looking to identify here, how well the phone is going to process all the shadows, but then also the highlights, right? So take a look at this guys, it's dark everywhere here, but we have the sun piercing through. And usually shots like this are tricky, not only for the proper camera phones, but also for the proper cameras. And exposure handling is really key in that moment, right? Some phones will tend to overexpose, put a bit more pressure, pump on the highlights, and then maybe crush the shadows, or some will just underexpose and you probably even like crush the shadows to a point where they're almost like unrecognizable. All right, let's take a look. There is a bird. Okay, I'm gonna give you like a 10x view of this bird. By the way, I can go and I can do as much as like 20x. Okay, 20x guys, this is a crop from the 50 megapixel 10x camera. Ain't that marvelous? All right, I think it's just good guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. So this is the 10x and now I'm zooming in on the 10x. Okay, I think I've seen like a slight stutter, and this is gonna be like the 3x, and now I'm going back to the main camera. All right, now everything on my screen stutters. I really hope that this is not what we're gonna see as the end result, because I'm going to upload this video straight away from my phone to YouTube. No post-production, no color grading, everything baked in directly while I'm shooting this video. Okay, now let's see some zoom here. All right, okay, focus not so strong, there is some wind. Take a look at this. This should look really beautiful on your screen. I really hope that this is going to be the case. Now let's try to, oh my god, I got a message that my phone is gonna hit up. Anyway, I'm still shooting, by the way, 2x, and I'm gonna do 3x. Isn't that fantastic? With a lot of wind, so it's really hard for the phone to do a proper focus. Let me just go down here and let's do like a 3x on the flower. All right, 3x on the flower. I'm gonna do 10x optical on that flower. Take a look at the bokeh around. It's just beautiful. And I'm gonna go and do ultra wide. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 10. Right, now what I'm gonna do, guys, I am gonna shoot from the ultra wide and I'm gonna exit this dark area. Right, let me do that. I'm gonna exit the dark area. I'm gonna go to 1x. Okay, so now I'm gonna be completely under the sun again. This is really what this phone can do. And then again, not only shooting log video, right, you can do this in 4K 60, by the way, not in 120 FPS. If you do this, you're not be able to apply the LUT, but this is what I am getting. I'm gonna give you some more stunning 10x, and honestly, guys, my phone's display now is dimming, so I don't really see that much, but you see, and you will keep me honest. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Is this a good video? You know, is this a bad video? Why? Stay safe.